Okay, I'm wearing my clothes like this today. Today we are going to go for a photo shoot. I don't know where, but I will show you guys later. Bro, it's so hard to talk, man. Shut the fuck. That's how much I can tell you. But for now, I will have to shave my beard first, and then clean up really nice, and then we will go somewhere beautiful.
It's Black Yo shit, everybody know me. Kill
We have Anna Superna sauce. And then, what is it? No, just this one.
Huh?
Just this one. Oh yeah, that one. Ajinomoto. Okay. We are having noodles for this yamam. We are having noodles for breakfast, and I will show you how to cook it in a simple way. Ah shit! We don't have vegetables. We don't have vegetables. God!
Yeah. They said
So we are on the way to pick our friend, and then we will go to where, George? Oh, George.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We are going to Spitball.
Sweetfall, no? In Nong Samai, Happy Walley, Sweetfall. This one is his name is Ajigam. Subscribe to his channel. So it's a YouTuber, photographer, musician, everything. He's multi-talented guy. Oh yeah, just saying should come. My cameraman this morning he cannot come because he felt sick, so I don't know. It's sad for him. Where's that helicopter? Helicopter! We're going to Happy Walley. Happy Walley, bye. You have to speak in English because from look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. Yeah, this driver.
David, हम कहाँ जा रहा है अभी?
हम तो Upper Valley जाना है.
Hey, Mother India traditionally.
Building up in me, tensions breaking. All my expectations.
No.
Hold off from the excitement. Throw in a line cause I'll bite it. Then get twisted. Thinking it'd be different.
Let's just have fun. Let's worry about that later.
Baggage on my shoulders. And I'm only getting older. So
We'll vlog with Ngin ka jengay nam. Man here. Okay. Smile. Say the witches friends. Hey, stand there. Yo, Joyce. How are you? Are you still feeling mad? Are you okay now? Come on. Hey, you're not okay.
drown me in my emotions. Leave me out in the open. I did.
Day, Musa Day. Looks nice though. I don't know what now. What are we going to do now? We're here. What do you say? You go home? Okay, so what are we going to do now?
Just tell something about the video and
Okay.
why you came here.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we came here to, look for waterfall, sweet waterfall, and then now that we're here, yeah, we see it. Ta-da!
I realize I was wrong to make the same mistake. Broken, but I know that I will fall in love someday. Baggage on my shoulders, and I'm only getting older.
Good. Good. Hey, model. Show me some.
Hey, what are you thinking right now, man?
I don't know how to
you want to take the
do
picture?
model.
Let me see. Show me your teeth. Show me yours. Show me your teeth.
Bro? Yeah. Why you always look so depressed when you go out, man?
I don't know.
You never want to take pictures or anything. Sooner or later you will regret it, man. Huh? This place is very peaceful. Even if like there's only waterfall, but then look at this. The nature is so pretty.
It's too late. Baggage on my shoulders, and I'm only getting older. So dramatic.
So this is it for the video. Now we're going back home.